Hey friends, welcome back to another whole group reading lesson. We are on day 2 of week 3 of unit 6 today. So let's go ahead and get started. We are still working on our silent letters and we're going to review the rose card today one more time. So again, what is the name of this card? Rose. Very good. And what sound does it stand for? And how do we spell the spelling that we're working on this week? WR vowel. Very good. We are going to say WR vowel just because honestly, I don't think I've ever seen the spelling WR before any other letter that is not a vowel. So let's keep working. Here are some words that use our WR vowel spelling. Let's go ahead and let's start from the top line, going down to the bottom, going from left to right. Ready? Right, wrote, wrong. Next line down. Wrap, wrist, wren, ring. Next line down. Wrench, wreck, written. Good job. Here are our sight words. Remember, you can do this however you want. I think I'm going to do some baby shark today because I enjoy the baby shark. I'm not going to lie. So what is the name or what is this word? Bean. Very good. Ready? Let's spell it. B-E-E-N. Bean. And let's read the sentence. It has been a while since I went swimming. Next word is children. Very good. Ready? C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N. Children. And let's read that sentence. My classroom has 27 children in it. What is this word? Month. Very good. Ready? M-O-N-T-H. Month. And what does the sentence say? Let's read it. We will be out of school in about a month. What is this one? Question. Very good. Ready? Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. Do you have a question about the assignment? Next word. There. Very good. Ready? T-H-E-I-R. There. And let's read that sentence. That is their dog in the yard. What is this one? Year. Ready? Y-E-A-R. Year. And let's read that sentence. My birthday happens once a year. Good reading. All right, here are the words that we worked on yesterday. We're going to do that story one more time for this week. So let's start again, top to bottom, left to right. Ready? Wreck, wrench, right. Next line down. Wrong, wrote, wrecked. Next one. Rex, wrist. Good reading. Here are our phrases. We're going to start over on the left side and we are going to go from top to bottom. Then we'll move over to the right side and go from top to bottom. So ready? Over here. Miss Wright pointed. Miss Wright showed. And Rec Holmes wrote her a note. Next one's over on the right side. I am wrong. Can wrench cars. Miss Wright asked. Miss Wright replied. Good reading. Here are our sentences. Let's start with the one that's on top, and then we'll move down to the one that's on bottom. So I want you to think about that one on top for just a couple of seconds. And let's read it together. Ready? This storm can wrench cars from the ground and wreck homes. Good reading. Let's move to the bottom sentence. Think about it. And let's read it. Miss Wright pointed to a large map on the wall. Good reading. Here is our story, the same one that we read yesterday. Let's go through from the top at the title all the way down to the bottom of the page. Ready? Miss Wright's job. Miss Wright came to class to show students a map. The children had seen her on the news. She was there to talk about her job. Miss Wright pointed to a large map on the wall. It showed clouds, sun, wind, snow, and rain. Then Miss Wright said, I've been on TV for 6 years. I predict when storms are headed our way. I read maps and reports, but sometimes I am wrong. Miss Wright showed a picture of a big spinning cloud. This storm can wrench cars from the ground and wreck homes. I tell people when to find a safe place from the storm, she said. Miss Wright asked, Do you have questions for me? The children put up their hands. Josh asked, Which month has the most big storms? In our state, most storms happen in the winter, Miss Wright replied. After Miss Wright left, the class wrote her a note. It said, Thank you for teaching us about storms. Give yourself a high five. That is amazing reading. We're going to talk about compound words. I like to think of compound words as basically word math. So in math, we add numbers together to make new numbers, right? So in reading, compound words are when I take one word and I take another word and I add them together to make a longer word. So for example, in our box, we have the word bird and we have the word house. Bird plus house equals birdhouse. So one of the easy ways to do this is you look and see if your big word can be made up of two small words. If that's the case, most times it's going to be a compound word. Not always, but most times. So let's look at some of these. I've got the word book bag. Which two words did we add together to make book bag? Book plus bag. Very good. What about daydream? Day plus dream. Very good. What about wristwatch? Wrist plus watch. What about homework? Home plus work. Very good. What about baseball? Base plus ball. Very good. You guys have got this. Okay, special pronouns. Remember, we have those words that don't necessarily mean a specific person, place, thing, number, animal, whatever. Nobody means no person. Somebody means no special person. And anybody means any person. Anybody is the same as anyone. Somebody is the same basically as someone. Okay, so let's look at our sentences. Our first one says, I knocked on the door, but nobody came. What are our pronouns in that sentence? I and nobody. Very good. Let's look at the next one. Somebody got my backpack by mistake. What are our pronouns? Somebody and my. Awesome. All right, let's look at the bottom one. I didn't know anybody at my new school. What are our pronouns there? Our special one is anybody, and then we also have I and my. You guys are amazing. Let's review possessive pronouns while we're at it, okay? And our special pronouns. So, Paul said nobody wants to play ball. What is our special pronoun there? Nobody. Very good. I wish I could find somebody who wants to play. What are our pronouns? Somebody and I. Very good. Next one. Luke, do you know anybody who wants to play? What are our pronouns there? Luke is a name, so it's a noun. You, it's a pronoun. Very good. And anybody. Awesome job, friends. That is it for another whole group reading lesson. You are amazing readers, and I am so proud of you and everything you're doing. I can't wait to see you for another whole group reading lesson. So keep reading, friends.